want to know how I made this for my coffee bar, this cute sign and decor for my coffee bar, stay tuned to the video. I'm going to be showing you a quick DIY. Very, very easy. All of the stuff is like online and from Dollar Tree. Very easy, but yet looks so expensive. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how I made that. First of all, before we do that, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. Let's go, dolls.
My whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life in a ding-dong. If I could take you up in pen, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. In a ding-dong, plans would come true. In a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. In a ding-dong, plans would come true. In a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
What you would need for this DIY is this. I got this from Dollar Tree. You can get a picture frame anywhere. They have these in Dollar Tree. Since I bought it, I've not been able to find another one. This is actually a Halloween decoration. It says Hey Boo. I got it from their $3 section. So you can see, only $3 for this. And I've not been able to find this frame ever again at any Dollar Tree. Maybe you'll find it in yours. I've even looked online, it's not there. So I was literally lucky to find this like cheap picture frame. And I just decided to buy one of them because I didn't see any more. I just literally saw this one. So I decided to buy it because I didn't, at the time I didn't even know what I was going to use it for, but I thought it's going to make a good DIY project. And lo and behold, the time has come. I hope I run into it again. I hope Dollar Tree stock this. Dollar Tree, if you're watching this video, stock these as a permanent item. Doesn't have to have the Hey Boo in it, but just stock it because these are so perfect for DIYs. They look so expensive, and yeah, so I got that basically. Long story. I also got these flowers here. These flowers come in a big bag of like 50 or 100 of them. I got them from AliExpress. It did take about 2 weeks for it to arrive, and they are so gorgeous. So I got different color, like different shades of pink. Like this one, they're these cute peonies and they look so expensive. They look better than ones you would find at Dollar Tree or anywhere else. Like they're just so quality looking. They look so real. I love them so much and I can't wait to use them on this project. And I also got these custom made in AliExpress, and they're these acrylic gold like signs, and it says obviously it says Cafe LB, and I just felt it's going to be good for my project because, you know, it's for my coffee bar. And I got gold spray paint to spray paint the picture frame. So it's such a simple, easy project. So that's all you're going to need. It's going to be so fast. I'm literally doing this in my kitchen right now. So yeah, so all you're going to need is gold spray paint. I love the Rust-Oleum spray paint. It's cheap, it's easy, and it makes things look really gorgeous. We're going to be spray painting first. I got this custom made, literally $2.50 I paid for this to be custom made in China in AliExpress, and it took about 2 weeks to come here, or 3 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. Same amount of time as this took to come here, so not bad. And this is all you'll need. And then some glue, hot glue, and that's it. We're going to spray paint the picture frame. And I'm going to do that now, so that's the first one I'm going to do. So it's dry now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I love it. I love this colour. It's so gorgeous. It's starting to like really come along. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to do this is the easiest part. I'm going to be gluing these down onto here. And when you do it, you want to cut the end off of this so it's not poking up, because we're going to be literally gluing this bottom part onto here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. glued these pieces on. They look so gorgeous, and I just like I did around the edges first because it helps kind of just frame what you want, and now I'm going to fill in the middle part of it. Looks so pretty already. Oh my god, I love it. So here is how it looks like. Already it looks so gorgeous on its own. This is so beautiful. It's like artwork. Oh, so stunning. Now, and you can make this for anywhere. It doesn't have to be for your coffee bar, but I like it for my coffee bar. And now I'm going to add the words on top so this can be complete. This is probably the fastest DIY I've ever done. This is so stunning. Oh my god, it came out better than I imagined. So we're going to add the words on. I'm going to be hot gluing it. You have to be very careful because you don't want the glue to show at all. And I'm also going to sew it down with some clear thread. So I'm going to sew the ends at the edges of it so it can stay on even more. But I'm going to apply some of the hot glue. You have to be very careful so you don't burn yourself. And I'm going to place it right here. I'm also going to go in to make sure it's really stuck on, and I'm going to use some clear thread that you won't see and sew it into the flowers if it's kind of loose. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the LB. She is done. It looks so gorgeous. It came out exactly how I imagined it to. So beautiful. I actually wanted to do the same type of thing for my Wi-Fi password, so my Wi-Fi sign, but I thought I'm just going to have it in my coffee bar. It's perfect. It reminds me of like a Parisian cafe or cafe in London, just something European and cute. I just love it. It looks more expensive than I thought it would look like. So I'm going to create something to hang. You can either hang this, or I want it standing. I prefer it standing. I could have it like hanging like this, but I like it to be standing. So for now, so I'm gonna like have this. I put this old milk glass bottle behind. It's as tall as it, but I'm gonna create something to hook it at the same time because I think something to make it stand on its own is better. But for now, we're just gonna have this here. So I'm gonna just place it very gently against this, like leaning against this in between my two coffee makers. So, oh, she is so beautiful. And it doesn't have to be pink. I just like pink, and pink is my theme, as you can see in my whole apartment. So we're just gonna have that. As you can see, pink is my theme, and gold as well. So I have like gold details in my kitchen as well. Yeah, so it's done. It's such an easy DIY. It's so beautiful. It looks so expensive, and I just love it. It completes my coffee bar so perfectly. And I just like rearranged everything. It's just so beautiful. I just love it. It's so pretty. Oh, such an easy DIY to do as well, but it just adds so much glamour to your like everyday stuff, you know? I just love it. And imagine it hanging, but I just love it like a piece of art. I love it. It's perfect. Completes my coffee bar. Give you like a little tour of my coffee bar to end this video so you can see how everything turned out. I'm going to just like give you a little slow tour with some music on. And I just love it. I think it's time to make coffee, right? I have some pink coffee mugs in here. Which one will be good? Let's get this one. Perfect. Coffee time. There we have it. I love this so much. It's such an easy project to make. Very quick, very easy. It didn't even take me up to an hour to make this. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Grab your coffee, get your tea, and enjoy making one of these. Your coffee bar is going to look so chic and so effortless, but yet so expensive. I love it so much. If you love this video and love this DIY, give it a big fat thumbs up. I'm going to have all the links to where you can get the flowers and everything down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls. Love you.
Life could be a dream, and I think plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to,